Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Chase Bank, and more specifically, we're going to talk about the QuickPay Zelle feature with Chase and answer the question, how long does someone have to accept payments through Chase QuickPay Zelle if you sent them a payment? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Zelle and Chase QuickPay, basically it is a peer-to-peer cash transfer system. So if you owe somebody money or if they owe you money, you can easily send money back and forth through the Zelle system. And a lot of times, depending on which bank that you and the other person use, the money should be available within a few minutes. So it's really convenient, really quick. Now, the thing is, sometimes the person does not bank with Chase or any participating member with Zelle, and the other user has to accept the payment that you sent to them, which can be kind of annoying. So how long do they have to accept the payment? Let me go ahead and open up the app and I'll show you how to do that. If you don't have the Chase app already, be sure to check the video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, or you can easily go to the App Store or Google Play and just look for Chase. But I'm going to open it now. All right, I went ahead and opened up the app and it's asking for my thumbprint ID to log me in. So I'm going to go ahead and open that now. All right, I went ahead and opened up the Chase app, and this is where you want to go when you want to look for the most recent information, since this information is provided by Chase Bank directly, and banking policies and timeframes can change from time to time. So the information I'm putting in this video is current as of today, but again, with the way banks operate, it could change as early as tomorrow, who knows. But if you're looking for the information on how long someone has to accept your Chase QuickPay Zelle payment, what you want to do is go here. Here's the home screen to the app. Right here at the top, there's this little icon. It looks like a person. That's where you're going to go ahead and check the information that's provided directly from Chase. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there. And then if you want to find the information on how long someone has to accept your Zelle QuickPay payment, go ahead and scroll down here to where it says FAQs, and then click on this little arrow right here to the right. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're in here, what you want to do is go ahead and choose this option number 4, Chase QuickPay with Zelle, and same thing, click that little arrow here to the right. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here, you want to go ahead and scroll close to the bottom to answer that question. And here is the question right here. How long does a recipient have to accept payment through QuickPay or Zelle? I'm going to click there right now. So here's the information directly from Chase in regards to QuickPay with Zelle. And basically what they're saying is that most Zelle member banks will automatically accept your payment. So if you're going to be sending payment to someone and they bank with one of the member banks with Zelle, they actually do not need to accept the payment. It goes through immediately, automatically, whether or not they accept it. However, if the person banks with some other bank that is not a member of Zelle, they would have to accept the payment through the email or through the text message that they receive once you've initiated the payment. And according to the most recent information right here, they have 10 business days to enroll and accept that payment. If they don't do that within that time frame, then Zelle and QuickPay will cancel the payment and the money just goes right back to you. So that's the answer. You actually have 10 business days to accept that payment unless you bank with a member bank with Zelle, in which the Zelle system would automatically accept the payment for you. So if you're going to be sending a payment out to someone who banks with someone outside of the Zelle network, make sure that they accept that payment before that 10 business days. Otherwise, you're going to have to resend the payment, which can be kind of annoying. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.